Are you ready to revolutionize your workspace? Welcome to the future of remote work as BuildFuture.ai presents Metaverse Office Space. Unleash your business potential in the infinite horizons of the metaverse, because now's the perfect time to elevate your business with the power of the metaverse. In the next few slides, take a virtual tour of our Metaverse Office Space, built in the virtual universe built by our talented team of Metaverse developers. Do you too want to create your own Metaverse office space? Get in touch with the best Metaverse development team now. Link in description.